Hi, this is Kelly Lewis, and this is my video presentation for the case study for Nursing 4241 Servant Leadership. In facing our current staffing crisis, I have selected some options and ranked them in order of where I would like to start. As you know, we are facing a current turnover rate in our facility at over 15%, as well as a projected rise in vacancy for licensed physicians to 20%. The first option I would like to consider would be focusing on retention of our current staff by implementing a shared governance model. The creation of this empowering organizational structure will allow staff to have a voice on their unit, giving them power to make decisions over their own nursing practice. Initiating the structure will allow each unit in our facility to create a council, in which the managers will be available to counsel instead of the traditional hierarchy idea of management. Empowering our current staff will help with retention, as well as help to improve interprofessional relationships between the staff. This model of organizational structure is an example of servant leadership, serving others by allowing them to participate in decisions that will affect their practice and allowing their voices to be heard. The next option would be in addition to creating shared governance. I would personally like to hold informal meetings with the staff of each unit to address their current satisfaction level and discuss areas for improvement. This option will allow me to further build relationships with staff and hopefully get to the cause of our increased turnover rate. This relationship style of leadership is a shift from an industrial style leadership, changing the hierarchy structures. I want the staff to feel like we are focusing on them, and that they are not just a number or a body to us as administrators. Developing meaningful relationships with current staff will help keep me, as a leader, aware of their needs as well. The next option, which I would like to implement simultaneously with the first option I mentioned, is to create a sign-on bonus for all newly hired nurses who would sign a 2-year contract upon hire. I feel this will increase the number of applicants, and though this is more in line with an industrial style of leadership, I also feel that staff will feel valued when offered this monetary incentive. In addition to offering the sign-on bonuses to those who are newly hired, I would also like to reward current staff who recruit new hires to our facility. This type of incentive could encourage staff to speak positively about our facility and the changes that we as administrators are making. In a continued effort to build relationships with staff and focus on developing meaningful relationships where they feel their voices are heard and their concerns are addressed, I would like to develop an open door policy. I want staff to know that they are welcome to come to me directly with any concerns or issues in their department, and that I will help to create a plan to improve their work-life satisfaction. As a servant leader, I am focused on the growth and well-being of the staff at our facility. I want to help serve staff to provide the best patient care possible. For this video presentation, I referenced the Markey and Houston Tech Leadership Roles and Management Functions in Nursing Theory and Application, the 8th edition. Thank you.